Hello everyone, today I'm talking to my 8th video. It's my 8th video and it's our lovely Faizul sir. Faizul sir, okay sir, Faizul sir is always funny person and he's a very friendly person. And now I'm create my 8th video, day 8. And almost our class done present indefinite, present continuous and present perfect continuous tense. And present indefinite, present perfect and perfect continuous tense done. Perfect continuous, future indefinite and past indefinite, past continuous is the 7th tense done. And today I'm trying this tense use and talking. Today I am going to outside and make video. Then main video done, and I'm create my presentation topic Padmaviris. Okay, now I'm talk about Padmaviris. Padmaviris is very important for our life, because it's Padmaviris is the most largest viris in Bangladesh. This is our not viris. It is the Padmaviris is very helpful for Bangali. And because southeast and Dhaka too is work is very easy for this breeze, because Padmaviris is most popular, maybe worldwide 1000 number, and it's very valuable and very peaceful and very beautiful breeze in our country. Okay, now today I'm not reading this topic, that's why I don't know everything, and I know some information, but my video complete, then I will try collect some information and create video. Okay, now I am Stray Lake Park, and also Lake Park all the student favorite place, because every day our outdoor session arrange this place, and that's why this place is very beautiful, and I like this place. And every day our main class done 8 to 1 p.m. Then we are all the students go this place, and partner wise gossiping, not gossiping and studies topic, but only English, no Bangla. And today I'm try my video almost 20 or 30 minutes completed, because today's time is very short. That's why I not I will not long my video. I won't not long my video. I won't long my video. Yeah, and my old friend already come outside, and I am wake up 5 a.m. Then I am read. I am I am ready study, and then I go outside. And my Saturday and my Saturday journey. Right now I'm sharing my Saturday. I started journeying. I started journeying is every day I look like same routine maintained, and same started my routine. Always I wake up at 5 a.m. Then study, and but started the 2 day I am not make video, but now I am leave my comfort zone. I am leaving my comfort zone and open camera, and right now create my video. And started my whole days spending time. When spending time, I started it's very well, not well every day same. Look like I stay same life every day. Yeah, there same life every day, because every day, every morning wake up early and study, then sometime wake up in outside, and then working and exercise. And after that all students go dormitory and study. Then all student go our class. Our main class arrange 8 a.m. and I am everyday join. My joining range are almost 100%, because I never missed my I never miss my class. My attendance percentage 100% attendance, and then my class finish, I go back my not home, my hostel room, and firstly I shower. My shower done, then I go wow, snake. Maybe not capture this camera, but I say this side snake. Okay, now come to the point. And ground floor, I go ground floor, and I was go ground floor, and then collect my food, and come back my room. Then eating time, every people together eat, and our every people together eat our kitchen room, and it's very memorable part, because hostel life, and every person, every type of person, every other cities to come our place and together. But look like we are not just friend, we are brother, and every person is very friendly, and also every person very friendly. But sometime we are gossiping and playing and reading. But now I am stay in now I am leave my 5th floor and join 6th floor. Every person, and 6th floor every people my classmate, because all the people batch 1 and 5, and I am also 1 and 5. That's why sir call places every 1 and 5 or 1 and 5 batch student go 6th floor. Now I am Mr. 6th floor, and 6th floor name maybe I don't know, but my past address name Denmark, and I feel Denmark is very well, because it's a very amazing place, and the environment is very well, because every man is adult and matured. But 6th floor every person not matured. That's why every time to sound, every time noise, and every time it's very painful. But 5th floor is no noise, no together, every people study and study. But 1 and 5 batch every people not matured. That's why 6th floor 5th floor every time only gossiping and loudly speaking. It's very bad habit. It's not a good manner. Every time loudly speaking and laughing. It's not a good manner for my point of view. Okay, leave this topic because I don't interested this topic. No, I don't interested this topic. Talk to this topic. And my video almost 10 minutes done, and today my target is 20 minutes because my use study pending. That's why today my target 20 minutes. But my presentation video, I'm not reading. That's why I don't know this presentation topic. But I'm trying. My main video complete, then I will I am working in road. Okay, now I am talking to 7 tens, and I'm try cover all 7 tens, and maybe I proper know and but deliver time I'm confused. That's why I'm not every time confused. I'm just deliver time confused, and sir understand is the okay, it's the thumbnail. Yes, almost a sun come, and every people stay this side, and okay, don't worry. And I'm trying right now is complete every tense, and no, I right now I am working. It's present continuous tense. আমি ভিডিও বানাচ্ছি, it's present indefinite tense. I create video. No, it's present continuous tense. I am creating a video. And okay, firstly past indefinite present indefinite tense. আমি ভাত খাই, I eat rice. সে ভাত খায়, she eats rice. তারা ভাত খায়, they eat rice. Then present continuous tense. আমি গাড়ি চালাচ্ছি, I am driving car. আমি হাঁটতেছি, I am walking. And the present perfect continuous. আমি হেঁটেছি, I have walking. আমি খেয়েছি, I have eating. And then present perfect continuous. Structure subject plus have been, has been, and since or for extension. I have been ing plus since, and extension, since for extension. আমি 14 মিনিট ধরে ভিডিও বানাচ্ছি, I have been create a video for 14 minutes. It's present perfect continuous. হচ্ছে আমি 14 মিনিট ধরে ভিডিও বানাচ্ছি, I am creating video. I have been creating a video for 14 minutes. Then past indefinite tense. আমি ভাত খেয়েছি, it's past indefinite tense. I eat rice. I ate rice. আমি ভাত খেয়েছি. No, no, no. I ate rice. Because past indefinite tense structure subject plus V2 plus object. He goes, সে স্কুলে যায়. He goes to school. Not go. He gone. I'm confused. আমি ভিডিও বানিয়েছি. I create a video. Created. I created a video. Created. I created video. Okay, my problem may be past indefinite tense and past continuous tense. আমি ভাত খাচ্ছিলাম. আমি খেলেছিলাম. I was okay. I'm confused. Then my video finish. Then I will try in every tense proper understand. And present indefinite tense structure. Negative structure didn't, was, were, am, is, are, was, were, and was, were, do, does, did, I do, আমি করি. Right now my video almost 17 minutes done, and then I am trying my topic, my presentation topic and video topic, and I am creating my main video finish, and then I create a presentation topic Padma Bridge, and firstly I don't know about the thing for Padma Bridge. That's why firstly I read, then I explain for Padma Bridge. Okay, but I have no idea. Padma Bridge is very hard. That's why every people it's memorized, but I don't like memorize, but I have used knowledge my mind. That's why, and I'm trying I'm trying deliver to my knowledge. And this side my friend Rudra is very dedicated person. That's why he came this side and he study, and one day I believe every person success, and also Rudra, because Rudra is my also roommate, and my side bed is Rudra. And Rudra is a very funny person, and very good person, not bad. It's average person. It's normal person. And now today my video complete, and next I'm creating my I'm created my presentation topic. I am all time forget this topic, but I am create my presentation topic, and then I go my dormitory, and is some study complete. and then all students go class, because class start 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. Okay, it's main video is finished, and I am trying presentation topic and others topic. Then I added my video for this video. Okay, so now bye bye. Hello everyone. Today I am talking about Padma Bridge. Padma Bridge is the most largest bridge in Bangladesh. It's Padma Bridge making time 2040. It was completed in 2022. The bridge is officially open 2022 and 5th June, maybe 5th June open, and the total length of this bridge is 6.15 kilometers. It's about 18.10 meters wide. The bridge is the Padma Bridge is two level. Upper level also traveling bus, truck, and and etc. car, and bottom and lower level also use train. And the Padma Bridge has the 42 pillars and 40 on span. Span is about on 50 meters long. They're 150 meters long, and the total cost of Padma Bridge is the total cost of Padma Bridge is 30,000 crore taka. The most special thing is Bangladesh build this bridge with our money, not help for foreign. It's not help for foreign. And in conclusion, the Padma Bridge is a symbol of pride, and Padma Bridge also connect southeast area to Dhaka. And I am also southeast areas person, because my permanent address in southeast area in Norail. And Padma Bridge is very helpful for me, because I'm every time using Padma Bridge, and after 5-6 years ago we are use ferry, and it is very timeable, and now we are just 20 or 30 minutes this river move. And okay, it's complete my presentation topic. Bye bye. And right now I am completed my presentation topic, and now I am going my dormitory, because time almost 6:50. Time is very short, and I am right now going my dormitory, because study purpose. And then I change my cloth and ready, and then go my main class. Okay, bye bye, see you tomorrow, inshallah.